Oh, that's pretty.
I'm super happy with this custom color. I'm not sure where our countertops are, though. So we're stopping by the Sanders Townhome to check on everything. And when we roll in, our base cabinets are finally there, which took forever to come because they're special order. But there are still no counters. Let me call Corey and see if he knows.
Hello.
Hey, I was just wondering the status on the countertops, because I thought they went in.
So they didn't fit. They had to take them back to the shop and build them down.
Really? If the countertops are being held up, that means so is the backsplash and plumbing stuff. We can't install the sink.
And we have a deadline that we need to meet.
Yeah, and we have to get it done before Tyler and Alexa's lease is up, or we lose them as buyers. And I don't want to mess it up over something as simple as like a small amount of timing.
And when they got done milling them down...
Wait, that's not the end of the story?
It had a crack in it. We can't use this slab altogether.
Oh, so we have all new counters coming?
Yes.
Okay.
When are
Do
they
you know
coming?
when that's, yeah, when's that happening?
Tomorrow.
Sweet. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Bye. All right, well, I feel like we're pretty good,
Yeah, it looks good.
other than that.
Well, you know, there's some little things, but it's, yeah.
The weather finally warmed up for a few days, which thawed the snow and allowed us to finish up our exterior work. So we got the front railings painted and got all our sod down in the front and backyards. And inside, we got the countertops in, which are this really pretty suede granite. And we actually got it done just in time for all the furniture to come. And I'm super excited to deck it out for Alexa.
And Tyler. You keep forgetting Tyler.
And Tyler.
I would like something that weighs about 3 pounds, please. I'll take the lamp. Oh my gosh, that lamp is heavy! Holy cow!
So we're trying to go light and airy for Alexa, like a little bit girly, but trying to make it work for Tyler as well with some neutrals and some wood tones.
Yeah, we want it to feel like it's Tyler and Alexa's place, not just Alexa's.
Here, give that a little tuggy
All
tug.
right, ladies. Well, you snuck up on us.
So much of the house is designed with Alexa in mind, but we wanted to make sure that there was a space where Tyler felt was his as well.
I love it. Seriously.
That'll go perfect right there. So we've got a little bit of surprise, and we're setting up the guest room also as his man cave, and he loves basketball. So we had Beth, who's an amazing artist, make this basketball painting and kind of elevate it from, you know, like the college poster of basketball painting.
This is perfect.
Now that we've got everything in the house, we just need to do a little bit of organizing, some last-minute touches, and then show Alexa and Tyler.
Look, she didn't forget Tyler that time.
There we go. Ooh, cute little birds. Okay.
I can't believe you guys haven't let me see it. So this will be like truly a surprise for me.
Today, we are showing the Sanders Townhome to some of our favorite people.
Yeah.
What expectations do you have?
Nothing less than amazing.
Oh, dang it.
We do have very high expectations that we believe will be met.
Well, if they're not, could you please fake it for us? Let's go take a
Follow
look.
Mom around you
All right.
Go that way. Go that way. There you go. Wow, babe.
Oh, baby, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Does it look like home?
It does look like home.
Absolutely.
Obviously, the outside got a little bit of a facelift.
Right?
A little bit,
And
yeah.
we separated the porch so your townhome has privacy. And I think the fish scale shingles and the horizontal railing really set this apart.
I love it so much. And the fish scale is just so charming. It's so cute, really well done because it still feels private.
Absolutely. I mean, when you drive up, it's just like jaw dropping. It's unbelievable.
You want to go inside?
Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely. Go, go, go.
Oh,
Come over
let's
here.
go.
Oh my
on in, come on
God.
in.
Wow.
Wow.
Do you love it?
Speechless.
It's like
It's
incredibly
nothing like I've ever
beautiful.
seen.
Before, this was all closed off, so we opened it all up.
It's beautiful.
Take a seat and just take it in.
Oh,
Just
it
take
already
it in.
feels like home.
Right?
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Look at the lighting.
Oh,
Mixed
new
metal,
every time I look
yeah.
around.
Your flooring in here is vinyl plank. It's very dog friendly, so nothing will happen.
That is incredible. This is beautiful. You guys nailed it.
I I know your dining situation is a table about this big with like a couple chairs, right?
Yeah.
So
Let's go into the dining room.
this beauty if you want to come check it out. The dining room's actually a really good size. You got this big table you could fit more people at if you wanted to.
Yeah, absolutely.
You've got a bar, and the stair rail is all original, so we just restored it and brought it back to life with a fresh coat of paint.
Wow.
That's so beautiful. Oh my God!
What?
There's a little creature in there.
So we made you a bird feeder.
Oh my God.
So when we did demo, when we first walked through the house, there was a nest up in the back bedroom.
Okay.
And I felt like we had to have a place for them.
That's
but look
incredible.
how cute he is, and he can't get at you.
That one's cute. It is beautifully done.
All right, let's go check out the kitchen.
My God, this is so incredible.
So, from your little baby kitchen,
We both fit in here. All four of us fit in here.
On the island.
Look at these.
sink.
Cabinets.
There wasn't much to this kitchen at all, so we just did a complete overhaul in here. What do you think about these base cabinets? Because these are a custom color that we took a little bit of a risk with.
I'm obsessed with it.
Good.
The flooring, the
Yeah.
cabinets, all of it works. I love it so much. So let's see the rest.
She's like, done, I'm done.
I want to see all of
Let's
it.
go upstairs. So, master bedroom, but on the way,
the
you guys
way.
peek into your new
That's
bathroom.
this though.
Yeah.
Yes, so you can have all your stuff here.
Under here, babe. No, we have
You get to
storage.
here.
This was actually a small third bedroom that we turned into a good-sized master bath for you.
Look at this tile.
That is a shower right there.
Bedroom?
Bedroom. Oh my God. I'm
Do you love it?
I love it so much.
Got
Yes.
a lot more natural light in here.
So much more. So much more. This is
Good
incredible.
closet space.
I know. There's room for your stuff, babe.
Oh, yay. Oh, that's awesome.
Yay.
Unbelievable.
I've been saving the best for last. Come with me.
Yes, let's do it.
Yes.
Are you ready?
I am, of course,
Okay.
ready.
Okay.
Oh.
Wow.
This is your man cave.
Let's go. That's awesome.
Right?
Yeah.
Beth painted that specifically for you.
I mean, I wish I could dunk, but, you know, I'd be
That's
shooting the three ball.
incredible.
This room was already pretty cute, so it just needed some cosmetic updates. And of course, all the birds that were in here had to go.
You have a little day bed in here, so if you have friends spending the night, you've got a place for them.
Man, look at
You've
that.
got a desk to work.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
desk is incredible.
So somebody had obviously stuffed a gun in the attic.
Wrapped in
eaves.
a bandana.
Yeah.
So it was made in like 1890. It's
Wow.
old.
Wow.